When you apply Terrade, you get an instant repair with a highly aggressive adhesive. Terrade is airtight under pressure even when stretched, watertight under pressure even when stretched, UV resistant, resists yellowing for years, conforms easily to irregular surfaces, cuts easily with scissors, and will not turn gummy in high heat.
What we'd like to do now is we'd like to talk to you about some fabrics that we repaired a long time ago. Sunbrella has Teflon characteristics. Once again, a really long tear on it. What makes Terrade so strong is the fact that you can stretch it and it always goes back to its original size. That will tear something off an ordinary piece of fabric. If you did that with duct tape, it would tear it off. One of the things we do is that we have a piece of reinforcement line, and what it really is 80-pound test line. And we cut this right up off the edge of the fabric, and what we'll do is I'm going to stretch it for you so you can see it. All right? That's cut right off the edge. And what we did with it is we took the line and we wrapped the patch over the line to reinforce the edge. Look at the elasticity in that thing. That is vinyl, a 9-year repair. Now we have another original sample. This is a piece of canvas. And this is a 9-year repair as well. Let's turn it up like this. You can see the cut in it is about 2 feet long. All right? Let me stretch that here. Ready? It's elastic. You would tear a piece of duct tape right off. Ready? Stretch that. Hang on to it. We won't break it. Really stretch it. It's extremely elastic, really, really tough, and it always recovers to its original size. Really sticky. At least, let's see that little boat over there? We'll show them how this boat works. We can get it off your fingers. All right. What we have here is we've got a vinyl boat that has a hole in it about the size of a silver dollar. And what we've done is we put that patch over the lettering. The patch is nice and clear, flexible, and completely airtight and watertight. It's a wonderful patch. The smaller patches are 1 3/8 and 7/8 of an inch. You can see the rounded corners on them.
There are 2 different types of Terrade, Type A and Type B. Type B is for vinyl and vinyl coated products only. Vinyl has oils in it, and the oils softens the adhesive. Our adhesives are not affected by the oil. Type A is an all-purpose patch that sticks to almost all fabrics with incredible strength. We describe it as an elastic patch on steroids. Start with showing you the bolt rolls. They come in 3 different sizes. They come in 6 inches wide, 3 inches wide, and an inch and a quarter wide. They're all 30 feet long. You can cut them with scissors. It has black lines every 6 inches. Those black lines makes it very easy for you to be able to take the product, measure out 2 feet by just counting lines and cutting it up. The last thing we'd like to show you is our retail kits. The kits come in 2 different types, Type A and Type B. Type B is in the green box, Type A is in the gold box. We'll show you how they come on a retail counter display. The retail counter display comes to you shrunk wrap. It is in a case that will pop up, and the pop-up case, what it looks like is this. Once you popped it up, you can have it all Type A, all Type B, or half A and half B. We also have them in box roll forms. These boxes, once again, are green and gold for B and A, and these are 3 inches wide and 5 feet long. It's a real nice way to just fix a bigger tear.